Hi everybody, I'm Wang with Constellation Research. I'm live here at the Plex Tower here in Troy, Michigan with Anurag Garg. So tell me about your new role and tell me about why you're so excited to be here.
Yeah, so I'm Anurag Garg. I'm the VP of Analytics and IoT product here at Plex. Excited to be here, joined here with the acquisition of Datus by Plex back in July of this year. And I'm excited because there's so much value in bringing IoT to the manufacturing environment. Plex has done a fantastic job of commercializing ERP and MES in the cloud over the last 25 years, and IoT just adds so much more depth to our product to help serve our customers better.
And you guys were doing that. Datus was a company that was focused on IoT, not just regular IoT, it was industrial IoT. Tell us about the difference between like IoT, oh cool, I got a chip in my appliance, and industrial IoT.
Yeah, so IoT is interesting. Over the last 10, 15 years or so, we've seen so many technologies and devices to help consumers collect data from their personal lives and make decisions. The iPhone is perhaps the most common version of IoT that we talk about. I just got my new Fitbit Charge 3 over the weekend. But industrial IoT is a whole different beast, right? There is so much data available on manufacturing floors. Manufacturers have been collecting data for decades. And there's so much value to be extracted if only you can unlock that data from manufacturing.
And you're talking like, we're not talking like megabytes or terabytes, you're talking petabytes and zettabytes.
Exactly.
Right,
exactly.
Massive amounts of data.
Yes.
Right, and we typically can't crunch this on our own computers, right?
Nope. So what IoT does, what IoT technologies do, is help you unlock that data and make sense out of it through advanced analytics. So manufacturers can make decisions across asset performance management, do predictive maintenance, understand efficiency, understand part quality, understand energy management, drive smart factories and smart workers, both basically help make better decisions.
And the beauty of this is they have this data already.
Yes.
Right? It's not like you're going out trying to find new data. You're just capturing context and trying to put a time sequence against that data, and then you're actually looking for patterns in that data. You're running certain types of algorithms, types of predictive analytics. Talk about a common one around, break fix is typically one that people want to keep uptime on equipment.
Yep. I mean, the low-hanging fruit with IoT manufacturing is predictive maintenance, right? So if you look at the automotive industry, every hour of downtime on a manufacturing floor, take a large automotive OEM, for example, that makes a car every 50 to 70 seconds.
Yeah.
Every minute of downtime is expensive. Every minute of downtime, you're losing $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 in top-line revenue.
Wow.
So the value of IoT is being able to take that real-time data, run numbers, crunch numbers on it, like you said, look for discrepancies, and understand what will happen if you change the parameters of operation. How do you prevent downtime? How do you prevent disruption? And how do you ensure you're optimizing your manufacturing floors as much as possible?